Christmas Eve. And who else but the jolly old Saint
Santa!
Nicholas.
It's Santa! I know him!
Santa.
Cool.
Oh, my gracious.
Ooh. So go ahead and put his hat on. He's got a Merry Christmas,
Oh, dear.
I don't know, like piece of paper of sorts. Really cool. And he's got
his eyes.
he's got a little writing quill pen right there. What's this little white thing here? Any clue what that is? I wonder if that's the ink.
Cuff?
If that's supposed to be the inkwell. Maybe.
I don't know.
Well, we've got this little white piece here, and we can't quite figure out what it is. So.
Interesting.
So there he is, jolly old Saint Nick. Oh, that is so cool. You know what's nice about this that I noticed? We didn't have to put none of these guys together. They came out of there already put together.
Yeah, aside from their hats or,
So there it is.
Got a lot of work to do tonight, Sienna.
Yep. Better get to work. Oh. Okay, guys, so there is our 2014 Playmobil Advent Calendar completed.
All of the pieces.
There's a few things as we were going day by day that we couldn't figure out. Like the paddles, I think they're probably signals to signal Santa Claus in. At least that's my guess.
These little brown things, we think they must be some sort of tool.
Yeah.
We still don't really know.
That we don't know.
And then
the
there's
little planter
the little planter that holds these little things. That's what it shows
I guess
in the picture.
it's just a planter that you can hang decorations from.
Decorative.
So we've got all the toys spread out underneath the tree.
It looks so Christmassy.
It is. It's so
toys.
cool.
And Santa in the middle wishing everyone a Merry Christmas.
Yes.
It's just so awesome. Love it. Day 24. It's our last day.
It's the last day of the Advent.
Oh my gosh.
We had a good run.
What did I get? A camera.
There's a camera. And some skates.
What is it? A present? It's another present.
Wow, that's a big present.
With a bunch of stuff in it.
I want to see what I get for my day 24.
Ooh,
mine is Santa. Oh, I need scissors. I need the scissors.
Here's my scissors. I'll share with you. I'm on the nice list.
Okay, so let's see here. Oh, and he comes with some cookies.
My present. Oh, did I do it wrong? What'd I do? Oh, darn it. Hold on now. I put it together wrong. Oh, geez. Why? When you go to fix it, the whole thing just
it's
falls apart.
It's the last day, too.
The whole thing. Just tried to fix one piece, and it just crumbled in my hand.
We are putting together, guys.
I'm
close. Okay, I'm done.
I'm close.
Okay, so I get one of the Santa minifigs. Got a cookie. He's got his bag.
I have no idea.
And Santa just has the single face. Yay! Santa.
Okay. So.
Extra beard, extra cookie too. Nice.
Oh, I like that cookie. So here is the camera. It actually looks a lot like our camera. Really cool. It's got where they can hold it in their hand.
No, you've got it wrong.
What?
This needs to be clear, like a lens.
Oh.
So I need
here.
Yep.
You fix that. Okay. So here is the bottom part of the present, and here is the top part. And oh, it clicks into place. That's nice.
There's the camera.
So all of these items go inside, and I have no idea what they
actually,
are.
I still got the camera wrong.
Ice skates.
Yeah. Okay, so there's actually a black stud that goes before the clear, so then it gives you that depth of the lens.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If you say so. You're the Lego guy. And I have like, how many?
2 sets. 2 sets and
one.
an
extra. I have 2 sets and an extra little, these are hard to show, little ice skate.
So whoever's getting this present's getting some ice skates and a camera.
Nice. I like that.
Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun. We love the Advent calendars, but today is the last day and tomorrow is Christmas. So we want to wish all you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.